You're welcome back to class. And today is the day 32 of our Excel work hour. So, what are we learning today? In today's class, we are going to be learning another function. Yes, another function tagged sequence. Yes. So, what is my sequence function? What is it used for and how do we use it? All right. So, before we dive into the class, once again, you're welcome back to our channel Learn with Kowi. In case you are just joining us, my name is Kowi ACG. I'm a data analyst and I'm also a data analyst instructor. So if you are thinking of starting a data analysis journey, you can always contact me and I'll be available. All right, before we move forward, the first thing I want to say is that we are going to be having a webinar on September 14, God sparing our life. The form to the link to the form to register for the webinar is under the description of this video. So locate it and fill the form. Then message me on WhatsApp so you can be added to the class community, to learn with Kowi community. Yes, we now have a WhatsApp community. We are going to be having a lot of what discussion. Exactly. We're going to meet a lot of what like-minded there. So we now have what a WhatsApp community. So if you're interested in joining the community, you can always message me on WhatsApp and you'll be added to the what community. And also I said there are going to be what a data analysis class in October. So if you have interest in joining, some people have messaged me on that. So I've decided to organize the data analysis class in October. So if you are interested in joining, you can message my WhatsApp also, and we have access to all the information you need for the class. All right, so let us come back to our class. What are we learning today? In today's class, we are going to be learning something new called sequence function. What does what does it work and what is its usage? Now, this sequence function, first time I learned about sequence function was when I was taking a course on LinkedIn Learning, FP&A, Financial Planning and Analysis. So that was yes, financial planning, yes, if I'm not making mistake. That was the first time I learned about this sequence function. You see, like I've always said, there are some functions that what we are going to learn in class now, and I will be like, what is the uses of this one? I don't seem to get the reason why I'm learning this particular what function. So you might not know them now until probably when we start using them later. Exactly. So when I was taking this course, at first when I saw the sequence, I was like, what can I use this one for? But when the tutor started what applying to it into financial planning and analysis, wow, it was very, very amazing. It was very, very amazing. So in case you are in probably finance field, accounting, or you also want to specialize in financial analysis. In fact, you might even be a healthcare analyst and you are going to be needing this function one day, one time. So that is why we've actually not been seeing any function as a useless function. So that we've been making sure we are learning every function that we know, okay, this thing is what it's useful for us. And by God's grace, we are not going to see any function as what an useless function. That means what we are going to make sure we keep learning the functions we are going to be needing what in our real life as we advance in our in our Excel uses and what in our career. Exactly. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Now, this sequence function, how does it work? The way sequence function works is that what we use it in what populating what figures. Yes, let me use like that. Yes, using the populating figures. How it's going to ask for what for start number. It's going to ask for what for number of steps and what and where should it stop. Exactly. Yes. So let's get started. Now say equals to sequence like this. Now the first thing what rows, column, start, step. Now what does it mean by what? That means row. Now how many rows do we want? Now I'm going to take it bit by bit, bit by bit. Exactly. Now first let me say I want 5 rows. Exactly. Now let me close it like this. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exactly. That is the first way. Now the next thing is let me say that what equals to what? Sequence. How many rows? I want 5 rows. How many columns? I want 2 columns. Exactly. You can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly. So now let us move to the what? Next one again. I have equals to sequence. Now it's asking me how many. I say what? 5. How many columns? I can say I want. Let me say 2 again. Now it's not asking me where should it start from. Where should it start from? Okay, I want you to start from what? From 6 this time around. Yes, 6. Now see what? You can see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I hope you are seeing it. Now, the next one is equals to sequence. Now, row, I want 5 rows. How many columns? I want 2 columns. Now, how many start from what? Start from, okay, now, let me see, start from 10. Now, it's not asking me step. This step is not like what interval should be what? What interval should I have between two numbers exactly? So I will say, okay, let me say I want 4 intervals exactly. Yes, 4 should be what? That means it should be 10, 14, like that. Close, enter. You can see 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30, 34, 38, 42, and 46. How people have gotten what how to use this exactly. Now, the first thing you need to know is that what in sequence, this row is what is the compulsory. Column, start, step, they are not compulsory. That means you can supply them and you cannot what you might say not what supply them. Definitely, you're still going to get what you want exactly. But now using this word is making it what it's just like what we are what streamlining it on what based on what we want for what our exact word to return for us. That is, you can see that what when I use just ordinary, we start from what 1 to 5. Because I said what I want 5 rows. So it's assumptions that was okay. We want to have just 1 to 5. Then yeah, I come and say okay, I want what 5 rows and 2 columns. That means what okay. The assumptions that was okay, we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly. Then it is now asking me again, okay. Ah, oh, I've been starting from 1 to 10. Oh. That means I've been assuming what if this person would is actually not what it's actually not what it does not want to start from what from 1. So that's just now asking, okay, where do you want to start from? Where do you want what our what number to start from? That's why I'm having what start here. And I say, okay, I don't want to start from number 1 also. Start from what number 6. Okay, now let me instead of 6, let me change this one to what to 11 now. You can see it. So it now start from at 11. You can see it start from 11. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And also it's now asking us again, okay, I might also be assuming that what it is one interval you want. You might actually want something that's more than what interval of 1. So that's why it's now asking, okay, what step do I want? And I say, okay, I want what 4 steps interval. That's why I say, okay, start from 10 like this. But I want 5 rows, 2 columns, 10 start from 10 and what 4. Now let me change this one to what let me say I don't want 5, I want what? Let me say I want 7 rows. I want 3 columns. Now, so start from 10 and what? 4 interval. You can see it 10, 14, 18, 22, 26, 30, 34, 38, 42, 46, 50, 54, 58, 62, 66, 70, 74, 78, 82, 86, and then 90. You can see it. So that's how to what use sequence function. So once we start applying them out to real life problem and what, so we are going to see them and we are going to learn how to what. Then we are going to see what how handful all these functions can be. So thanks for watching today and please don't forget to register for the webinar. Click on the link below and message me on WhatsApp so that you can be added to the WhatsApp community. So do have a nice day everyone. Bye.